good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Jill.
Okay, hi Jill. I
Hello.
think we met last time already.
Yes, yes, I think
But
one session, right?
one session we had.
Very well. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing great too. Thank you for asking. And how did your
Mhm.
day go?
It was quite good. I'm in night shift,
Hmm.
so still shift is going. I took some break and I joined with you for this meeting.
Oh, very well. Is night shift hard?
Yes, definitely. Definitely, it's hard.
So you have to keep changing every 15 days or something like that?
Yes, night shifts are like that, but in my process, there is no option like that because it is a completely night shift, US based process.
Hmm.
So I'm doing complete night shift.
Oh, okay, okay. So then how does your family and how do your family and friends manage with you? Like if they have to meet you or if they're wedding?
So always they have complaint about me. Always not reachable. Whenever they call me, my phone is in silent. Oh,
So
last
it's
time, uh,
yeah.
carry on. You are asking something.
No, no, no. Last time, sorry.
I think, can I ask? Last time you had a long hair, right? Now it's good. Both are good.
Oh, thank you. I love cutting my hair. All the time I will keep cutting.
Okay, both are pretty to you.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Both are pretty on you.
On you, okay. Thank
They
you for
both
correction.
suit you. Okay.
Both suits you, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, both
Both suit you or
suit you.
it suits you.
It suit. Okay, singular and plural.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I was asking you, what about if you have to go to like a wedding or of like a close one? Then how do
Mm.
you manage?
Um, I have to take leave you those days, but see, my face is not like a sleepy face always. I'm not fresh always. I felt very tired whenever I go to weddings
I
and
feel
all.
very tired.
I feel okay. Still continuing, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
I feel very tired.
Every
So
time.
almost I avoid the functions, but only these days I'm going. Last two functions I have attended.
Mhm.
Are you able to hear, right?
Yes, yes, I can hear everything. I'm just wondering how difficult it is. And also,
Yes.
like all of us, we love going to restaurants, to go eat little tea. But what is
Mm.
open in the night? Barely any places, right?
Yes, near to our office, there are some shops always for night shift people,
Right, right.
especially. Probably I like it actually. Otherwise, I cannot do because I like peacefulness, calmness.
Ah,
Last time also, same thing I told you. I think because of in daytime there is very crowdy, right? Crowded
yes,
areas.
it is very
It
crowded.
is very crowded.
Uh-huh.
So I do prefer to roam in night time. It's very peaceful and
Hmm.
very calm, no sunlight. Like that. I like it.
Oh, very nice.
But
I prefer sunlight. Yeah.
you prefer sunlight, right? Yes, sunlight is very good actually because for sure I got affected by night shift, some health issues and all.
Mm-mm.
So I have to change it. See, I'm in comfort box now. I have to come out that box. Comfort box. Almost 10 years I'm doing night shift.
Oh, okay. So you're used to it and now you're comfortable in that zone.
That zone, but I have to come out because health is important, right?
Mm.
Health is getting affecting now, so that's why I want to come out that.
Hmm. Have you ever tried some healthy diets or any such thing, or do you go to the supermarket and check for all these calorie intake and such
Yes.
measurements? You
No,
do?
no, now I'm doing because my health was affected already.
Mm.
So I'm doing now. I'm checking all. Last time also I promised, I not promised. I told you I'm trying to give up non-veg food,
Oh,
right? You suggested me some vegan dukan also that time.
oh, yes, yes, yes.
But sorry, I broke my promise myself and also to you because continuously 3 months, about 3 months, I maintained. I kept my promise alive. But after that, when I came to my hometown, my home, here functions in my home, they're cooking a lot non-veg food and tempted me a lot.
Yeah, and
And
everybody eats in front of you, then it's
in
hard.
front of me, but I do fish curry very sorry. I'm saying to you very
No, no,
much
it's
so.
okay.
I tempted a lot and now I started again.
Okay, I get tempted a lot and I
Uh,
started again.
I get tempted a lot and I started again. So I'm thinking again because my heart is saying okay, my mind is saying to eat it, but my heart is somewhere it is keep dragging me back. I think I can say it right.
Yes, yes, yes.
Drag me
It
back.
keeps.
Why you keeps me dragging back. Why you are eating? Why you are eating like that? But what can I do? It's a habit from my childhood.
Don't worry, don't pressurize yourself so much. But 3 months itself is a huge amount of time. So that is good
Oh.
itself.
Because people are also motivating to eat what you are doing. See, I didn't get married. I can say, right?
Yeah,
Due
I
to some
didn't
reason,
get married or I'm not married.
I'm not married. Due to some reason, I don't know. Probably, I won't marry also in future.
Hmm.
So I'm not drinker. I'm not a smoker. Nothing.
Mhm.
So people are saying, what you will enjoy? At least eat, eat always. At least like that they are saying. You are not doing. But see, my heart is saying, do not eat. We'll see. I have to try vegan dukan. I checked it, but I postponed it to what we can say order food, order some food like that. If I order, maybe
Now
it can
there
be help.
actually many options have come up, not just that, because a vegan dukan is also a little expensive, I find it. Uh,
Okay.
there are many other sites as well. I haven't seen too many because we tend to make everything at home, so I don't buy outside too much. Vegan products are comparatively very expensive compared
Oh
to
my God. Okay.
uh,
Okay.
like very expensive compared to normal food. So
Okay.
that is the only disadvantage of vegan products.
Oh.
Yeah.
Actually, I would like to say one thing. I have this, sorry, the one session left for me. I think this subscription, I kept in pause. Just I checked it. Your session is available for today. I resumed it and I took the session.
Thank you so much.
Because I liked it. Also, I keep post my sessions in YouTube. Okay,
Oh,
so if compared to all other sessions, your session is very, what we can say, very viral. Not viral,
oh,
at least for me, at least
hello.
for my channel, above 500 views I got, and people are okay saying good conversation like that. So don't think because of that I selected
Yes, no,
you.
no, don't worry, don't worry.
Because
Hello
people
to
are
everybody.
loves you so much, maybe.
Hello to everybody.
Yes, yes. If you observe it, some people says in comments, anybody Jeel fans, please raise your hands in comments. That's it. Please like that.
I feel I feel
Okay.
very shy. Honestly, I feel very shy, and I just don't. I've seen the YouTube, few of my videos, but
Mm.
I don't see it because then I feel, oh, okay, I'm great.
Okay,
I, I
you feel something okay.
yeah, so I don't want to.
Okay, okay. But our session was nice, I think. If you have time, please check it.
I will I will try to check it after class. Now that you told me, I will try to
Okay,
see.
sure, sure, Jill.
Okay, very
I
well.
thought you must be tired now because you are taking sessions continuously today,
Yes, yes, yes,
right?
yes.
But you are still giving energy so much to me, towards to me, like a fresh. You are now just started class. You are seeming like that.
No, because
Okay.
I like it and I'm used to it, and I've been taking class since a very long time, so it's
Oh,
fine.
If you
So
feel it is a duty, it can't. You could not do like that. If you enjoy your job,
I enjoy.
you could do like this.
Yeah, if you enjoy your job, you can do it better. You can say that.
Yes, yes. Okay. Because of that same thing, I'm doing night shift. Whatever people saying, I'm loving it, so I'm continuing it.
Okay, whatever people say is a
Whatever
different thing, not
people
people
say,
saying. Yeah,
saying. Okay, so I thought actually continuously they are saying, right? So I thought whatever people are saying, like I use it like
or
that.
like that. So it's better to say whatever people are telling me
Telling me, okay.
goes out of my ear.
Oh, goes out of my ear.
Yeah, saying we don't use that much. Like you tend to use saying a lot. Try to use more of
Yes, yes.
tell. You know, she
Yeah.
told me instead of she says, or she.
She said like
No, she said. She
she said
said
right.
this is okay, but she told me. When you say me, it's better to use
Hmm.
told.
Told.
Okay, she
Okay.
said to me wrong. She told
Oh,
me correct.
correct. Okay.
Okay,
And
okay,
understood. Got it.
very well. So let me ask you like a fun question. Okay,
Okay. Ah,
um,
sure.
what does a superpower mean to you?
Superpower, right? So today's topic, I think, superheroes, superpower. I
Hmm?
think same, not same superpower, but I think related. Last session also we have discussed like same thing. Not a superpower. That was if you get a chance, what would you change in this world? Like that we had conversation. I think
Ah,
it
yes.
will.
I
I
asked that
think
to everybody. Really, I love that question.
that topic also actually that time the topic if you get chance to change today topic also little bit not little bit almost 50% I can convey that
Mhm,
topic
mhm.
compared to that topic. So last time I said two things I must want to change, so I will add more things to
I
that.
must change or I
I'm,
want to change.
I want to change
Hmm?
those two things I said already. I want to change complete world to vegetarians. And I also I said I must change no geographical limits
Mhm,
in the world,
mhm.
because still we are fighting each other and killing each other by the name of countries. In Stone Age we fought for small places, I said last time. So those two things are confirmed. If I get a power I will change it. But now superpower, right? Superpower, right? People, I think nowadays Avengers movie, those are super heroes people are
Yes.
liking a lot, right? I did watch last two parts. Probably to be frank, I don't like
Mhm,
superheroes movies. I i used to like in my childhood,
mhm.
because that time okay, those are fiction and fantasy stories, right?
Mhm,
if you
mhm.
if you know. So okay, that was that time I used to enjoy. I was enjoyed a lot. But
I was
when I
I used to enjoy it a lot.
enjoyed a lot, when I matured, so this is not a reality, because in real life we do not have any powers.
True.
Whatever it is we have to face with empty hands. Even do not don't we don't have any weapons.
Mhm.
Right, we have any powers like that. So uh, in my opinion, we have to face the world like a common man. Superheroes just a fantasy,
Mhm, mhm,
right?
mhm.
But if you say something about like superpower, what power you like, there are so many. I like Spider-Man, because he's like in normal time he behaves like a very common, like us, like me, common man. He has fear.
Mhm.
He tempted to do some funny things,
Is tempted to do funny
tempted
things.
to do funny things like that. So I like Spider-Man. But once he get power, when he get power, one gets right, when he gets power,
When he gets the power.
the power, he will become a superhero like that. But so those things we cannot do.
Mhm, mhm.
So in my opinion, if I got power, I want fly. I want to fly.
I want to
Fly.
fly. I want to be able to fly.
I want to be able to fly. That power I want with protection. So even though we flower, we get hurt, right? If from villains, some any other superheroes,
Mhm.
what we can say superhero in Avengers, who is the villain? I,
I have not
you
watched
know,
any
oh,
movie.
okay, Thrano, I think Thrawn or something villain name. we may get hurt. So I want flying power with protection.
Mhm.
So that power I like. And one more, can I continue?
Yes, yes, please.
Actually, people says if I get power,
People say,
people say, right? Yes, people say, if I get power, I will save the world, I will save the environment, I will try to reduce crime, like that. But in my opinion, why we have to save? In my opinion, I become like a super god. So super god. I put a name actually like a superheroes. Super
Mhm.
god. Super god means I want to uh, change the situations. See, situations, because if situation happened means something bad happened means somebody should hurt. Again, hero need to
Somebody
go
will
there.
get hurt.
Somebody will get hurt. Again, hero needs to go there and save. Means hero needs to go there, that place, and have to kill, right? Kill villain. Need to
Mhm.
kill villain, right? So
Mhm.
that means villain also getting hurt. Okay, before that situation, villain also human being.
Mhm.
So I have some many ideas. I don't know how how I'm speaking, but I will try. So in my thought is actually we have to control situations,
Mhm.
not bad good things, because there is no bad things a good thing. Situation is the major part to happen these things. So victim is also human being, and the guilty also human being before the situation. After the situation happened, they converted into victim and guilty, right?
They
So we have
convert into.
convert into victim and guilty. So both are human beings. Okay, both are have families. So I think like that always. Whenever I see, I think like that, why God should not why God cannot stop this situation before happened, because he has everything, right? So something happened means he can stop it right before that. Now see, you know Ramayana also, right? Ramayana,
Mhm.
Mahabharata, everything. So why God uh, allowed to happen that thing to
Allowed
Ravana,
that thing to happen.
allowed that thing to happen, because they should stop before that. So there is no fighting between Rama and Ravana, Kauravas and Pandavas.
There wouldn't have been a fight.
Wouldn't have been fast and right. So if God stopped that thing, nothing would be happen, right?
Nothing
Nothing
would have.
would have been happened.
Nothing would have happened.
Nothing would have happened.
Mhm.
So I think like that. I want to become super god. I'm not saying God is doing wrong, and I'm a very teeny little piece, teeny little piece, in
Tiny little piece.
tiny little piece in the cosmos, in this cosmos. But my mind says like that, why God is allowing to happen these things? Why is this life circle is uh, featured like this? See, tiger needs to kill go what we can say deer,
Mhm.
otherwise tiger can't survive.
Mhm.
like, like that. Why that should happen? In human beings also, stronger persons rule the weaker persons, right? Now actually in stone age, stronger persons rule the weaker persons. Now intellectual persons ruling the weaker persons, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
So what is why that difference actually? So everyone should be equal. There is no pain. Okay, there is no justification like that. Everything should be set. If we have all are good persons, all things, all the
Allah
any
good people.
good people, all the creatures, like a vegetarians, do not harm any with each other.
Mhm.
Whenever they want something, God should give to them. So everyone should be happy, everyone should be live happily,
Everyone
like that,
should live happily.
live happily. So my thought is like that.
Ah,
It's a
I did understand.
you can understand, right?
I understood completely.
I didn't put it in correct words, but my thought is like that, why this story should happen, why villain should happen, why hero should come in picture like that. Before that, if you control the situations, it would be happy forever, right? The world would be happy.
True. I understood your perspective and it was very detailed and you explained everything very nicely. So good, don't worry. It was very clear to me.
Thank you.
I actually think that all this happens because it's called life. Otherwise,
Yes,
it would not be called life.
I guess everyone says like that. If say like that, why you are blaming bad persons? If bad person is are not there, life is not there. If tiger is not there, life is not there. So situation is bad, right?
True,
My
true.
I always confused.
I
Everything said
always
if
get confused.
I always get confused. If there is no such thing, life is not there. If there is no sorrow, there is no happy. Why sorrow should be there? Why bad thing should be there? Why pain should be there? Why can't we avoid this? Why God can't avoid those things and give happiness to everything, right?
No,
Like
but it
that.
will be very boring. You see,
So
I know.
because of by our entertainment, the pain should be there.
No,
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 right?
no. Not that, but do you see if there's a movie with a lot of twists, it will
Yes,
be a
yes,
hit.
I
But if it's a
agree.
movie that is completely happy, no one will watch it.
Yes, that is the reason. Because of stories, we want life, we want badness. But there is a pain is getting exist. Pain is getting exist if
Pain is existing.
existing if story is creating, because bad should be there. So I want to avoid that. Yes, it's not possible. So I think like that. I always why God not created like that. Why God created stronger need to attempt what effect? No,
Stronger need to conquer.
conquered. Stronger need to ruled. Weaker persons have to
Weaker people.
weaker people have to surrender to stronger persons. Like that, I thought like that always.
Stronger people. Persons does not exist. Repeated usage of it, try to avoid. Okay?
Okay, sure.
People. Person, people. That's all.
Person, people. That is.
Okay. Yes. No, it is an interesting perspective, actually. We all want a lot of twists, but it is very painful to go through a lot of problems. So that is also an interesting perspective. And you did put it out very clearly. Don't worry. And I
Thank you.
understood everything. Understood everything.
Because I thought to prepare,
I
but
thought of preparing.
I thought of preparing, but I thought if I prepare, maybe might be I can explore it very well. Not very well, at least reasonably I can say. So my motive is without preparation, I want to speak. That is the reason I came up without preparation. So I don't. I felt like oh, maybe might be disaster. I like that, but
No, no,
okay.
no. It's a good thing. It's a good thing that you were more spontaneous and you decided to, because every time we can't be prepared outside, right? When we speak
Yes,
to
yes.
others, it will be random topics. We are going to speak about everything. So as well, maybe just take a glance at the topic. Okay, this is the
Yeah,
topic.
glance. I had a glance actually because I have to just think it right.
Mentally be prepared.
Mentally
Yeah.
prepared. That's on the top of that. Those two topics, last session and this one, also very interested topics to me because there is no one interested to listen. No, Eli, you will listen to me.
No, but
to
I like to.
because these topics leave it Trey, why you are hitting my brain. We have to eat, we have to enjoy it. Why you are thinking like this? People always says, but my mind always says it whenever I see discovery channels, movies, and this, it's always something happen like this.
Oh no, it's a good thing because you need a variation in life. Every time we can't enjoy, every time we can't speak about serious things, but every time we
Serious
can't
things,
speak
yes.
only funny things. I
Funny
think a
things.
good mixture, even if you observe all clapping out topics, they're all some are funny, some are serious.
Some of serious, some of general things
Yes,
like
so
that.
you need a variation in your life, and it's good that you can speak about it. So speak just like this, like as many perspectives as you can, and the way you elaborate every single thing and try to explain yourself, keep that up. Okay,
Yes.
explain it as much as you can. Of course, there are few grammatical errors. I will tell you 2 to 3 that you can try to work on. One is sometimes the tenses go here and there,
Yes,
even though
I'm aware, but tenses are going there
yeah.
because continue,
Okay,
carry
and
on.
other is when you keep using to and the root verb. Okay, like to prepare.
Yes, yes,
Use more of the ing form because it's better. Now you have to advance, right?
yes.
I like to play. No, I like playing. Even though that is
I like,
correct, but it's better to use I like playing.
I like playing.
I like
Yes,
watching TV. I like to watch a movie. I like watching a movie.
Watching a movie.
ing, more of ing.
ing.
Why? It gives you more fluency.
Yes, yes.
Okay, like you say things like villain also getting hurt, villain also gets hurt. So these
Gets.
forms of the verb, sometimes you tend to go wrong and
Tend to go wrong, right?
Right?
Yes.
Yes. And another thing with the pronunciation is the words which end with ed, like
Yes.
based, used, stopped. You say it that way. It should be a flow. Stopped, not ed.
Stopped. Okay.
Stopped. Used.
Stopped. Used.
Based.
Okay. In flow, I have to tell, right?
Yes.
I'm separating
breaking it. Yes.
You
yes.
used it like that, but
Yes.
use it.
Yes. Go in a flow. Okay. Because this, I think this comes a little from the mother tongue that we use, the pronunciation. So try to fill that.
Yes, I learned everything in my mother tongue in all subjects, complete subjects.
Happens. Don't worry. I messed up in a lot of pronunciation before. So don't worry. Ed, you just change. Try to pronounce more words with ed. Okay, played, worked. Then you'll start getting that flow.
Sure, Jill.
Yeah.
Still, we have time.
Just about 10 or 20 seconds. You can let me know if you have any question. Like when you say there is no bad things, there are the singular, plural also.